Hello. In this video, I'll show you how to edit or delete a contact on your iPhone. Start by opening the Contacts app from home screen, then tap on the list from which you want to edit or delete the contacts. Use the search bar at the top to find the contact you want to change. Tap on the contact's name to open their details. To edit the contact, tap Edit in the top right corner. From here, you can update their name, phone number, email address, or even add a photo. Once you're done making changes, tap Done in the top right corner to save. If you want to delete the contact instead, scroll to the bottom of the Edit screen and tap Delete Contact. Then tap again on Delete Contact to confirm. That's it. You've now learned how to quickly edit or remove a contact on your iPhone. Thank you for watching.